In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see hidden information on Facebook Marketplace in 2025. What this really means is finding the extra details that are already available inside a listing or seller profile while staying within Facebook's rules and respecting privacy. If you're shopping on Marketplace and want to make a smarter decision before buying, this is a simple and safe way to do it. Start by opening Facebook and tapping on Marketplace. Once you're there, search for the item you're interested in. Try to be specific with your search so the results are more relevant, especially if you're comparing similar products. When you find a listing that looks promising, open it and take a close look at everything that's visible. Review the photos carefully, then check the description, the listed price, the location, and any seller details shown on the page. A lot of useful information is often already there, but it's easy to miss if you scroll too quickly. Next, tap on the seller's name or marketplace profile. This can give you more context about who you're buying from. Look through the information Facebook makes available on that profile, including seller activity and any ratings that appear. If ratings and reviews are available, read them. They can help you understand whether the seller is reliable and responsive. Keep in mind that Facebook generally shows public seller ratings once a seller has received at least 5 ratings, so newer sellers may have limited information visible. After that, go back to the listing and read the full description. If the text is shortened, tap See More to expand it. This is where you may find important details about the item's condition, included accessories, pickup area, or payment expectations. These details often answer questions that aren't obvious from the title or photos alone. You should also check the seller's other listings from their marketplace profile. Looking at what else they're selling can give you a better sense of the seller and may help you spot patterns such as whether they regularly sell similar items. If something is still unclear, tap Message or Send Message and ask directly. A simple message asking whether the item is still available and requesting the exact model or condition can save time and avoid confusion. Just as important, don't try to use tricks, third-party tools, fake accounts, or scraping methods to expose private information. Contact details and personal data are protected by Facebook's privacy settings, and they should stay that way. Before you buy, verify the seller by checking their profile, reading ratings, and asking reasonable questions. For expensive items, you can also request proof of ownership or authenticity. Finally, keep communication on Facebook whenever possible, and be cautious if someone pushes you to move the conversation elsewhere or use unusual payment methods.